by finding out all about Sunsetter retractable awnings.
Here comes the H&R Block commercial. As soon as it comes on,
Is that why he was screaming earlier?
Landon will start fussing. Oh my goodness. You just wait. You won't be so happy when that commercial comes on. You better stop. Hey. Hey. He has a fear of the H&R Block commercial. Don't ask me why. There's the H&R Block commercial. He does not like it.
Imagine if you could get the best for free. I can't.